Coming this Halloween season, the story of Nightingale continues.
Sarah, don't move!
Grab my hand!
I've got you!
As Halloween draws close, the citizens of Nightingale are being hunted by a dark and elusive threat. A mockery legend called the Sparkeater, thought to be merely a ghoulish children's tale, until now.
The Sparkeater.
The monster from the kids' run.
What does that mean?
Can Dr. Shepard, Rocco, Dani, Sarah, and Nails conquer their fears to defeat the Sparkeater and once again save Nightingale?
Nails? Who or what is this Sparkeater?
A Nightingale Halloween special event. 5 spooky and action-packed episodes releasing weekly on Apple Podcasts and on GZMshows.com.